Hi everyone, my name is Saket and welcome to Trade Review by Optionables. From now onwards, we'll have a slight change in the format of presentation, what we do for our daily videos. So the thing is, all the videos will be divided into 4 parts. The first part will be discussing about what exactly happened to the markets today. In the second part, we will discuss what we can expect from the market tomorrow. In the third part, we'll be discussing about community trade, why exactly did we take a particular trade or why exactly did we adjust. And fourth part, I'll be quickly showing what exactly happened to trade of optionables. So every video will have these 4 parts in common and you can navigate to the part which you like from the description below. So first, we will try to understand what exactly happened to the market today. So today, as soon as the market opened, there was a slight gap up in the opening and then we saw some selling coming in right away. So within first 15 to 20 minutes, we saw some selling in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and later on, Bank Nifty and Nifty both found very strong support at lower level. And this was pretty much expected because most of the sectorial indices, including banking, IT as well as metals, were trading at the crucial supports. So it was more or less expected that we might see some sort of a bounce, and not just that, even Nifty had corrected almost close to 1000 points and 17500 again was a very strong support for Nifty. So a small bounce was expected, and again 18,000 would definitely act as a very strong resistance as well. So later what happened? So during the day, we witnessed some very strong buying in banking as well as IT stocks. Even metals saw some strong surge happening throughout the day. So TCS actually ended at the day's high. Even HDFC Bank as well as Kotak almost ended at the day's high, and Infosys too went up almost around 2%. So overall, it was a pretty strong day for the markets and we witnessed some strong buying coming throughout the day after the morning session. So what we can actually expect from the market tomorrow? So for this, we will be also looking at the OI data to analyze what is the psychology in the market right now and what we can expect moving forward. So today, since we saw some strong buying coming in, so there was a lot of put writing happening in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty also. We saw some strong put writing at 17,800 puts as well as 39,500 as well as 39,000 puts. In spite of this, there is still a very strong call writing at 18,000. So 18,000 is likely to act as a very strong resistance for this particular week. So yesterday we had around 70 lakh contracts open at 18,000. So today it has come down by 10 lakh, but there is still almost close to 60 lakh open contracts at 18,000 call option. So does this mean it can't go above 18,000? So it can definitely go above 18,000. But we should see what exactly happens after that. So if we see some strong put writing at 18,000 and call unwinding and buying coming in at major counters like HDFC Bank, Reliance and Infosys, then we can actually witness a close above 18,000. Otherwise, for short term, tomorrow 18,000 will act as a very crucial level for us to watch out for. In case if 18,000 is broken, and if it actually sustains till the end of the day, then we can maybe expect a close above 18,000. Or the other option is markets might actually try to head towards 18,000 and then there will be some sell-off coming in. So we don't know what exactly will happen, but the price action tomorrow as well as the OI data will act as a key piece of information for us to judge what might happen for expiry. And similarly, in Bank Nifty also, we expect some strong resistance coming in at 40,000 and we should see how exactly Bank Nifty will move after it comes closer to 40,000. In the lower end, we have 39,000, which is again a very good support coming in for this expiry, and 39,500, a lot of short straddles have been created at that level, and it would be best for the sellers if it actually consolidates around 39,500. So that is what we are expecting for tomorrow. More or less, we should be looking for the upside. In case if 18,000 and 40,000 is taken out, then we might actually witness some more further rally coming in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So this is with what we can expect tomorrow. Next, moving on to community trade. So I'll be discussing what are the trades we took and why exactly did we take those trades. And also coming to the fourth part, so today we had a loss of somewhere close to 4.5 lakh. So after a long time, we did some intraday trades. So intraday trades actually didn't go well today. So we actually ended up losing somewhere around 2 lakh with intraday trades. And yesterday we had a trade running. So even that gave us around 2 lakh loss. So overall, we already had around 4 lakh loss. And over that, we lost another 50-70,000. So together, all put together, we ended with a loss of close to 4.5 to 5 lakh for today. Now we'll be quickly moving on and looking at the community trade review. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to Community Trade. So today we are going to discuss what are the trades we took and why exactly did we take these trades. So what we did is that we had a November 3rd 41,000 short straddle. So the max what we could get out of this was somewhere close to 18,000. And today during the middle of the day, somewhere around 11 o'clock, so we did post a post saying that we can actually come out of this and enter a new short straddle. So that is what exactly we did. We did come out of this entire trade booking around 15,000 rupees. Since the market was pretty volatile during the morning, so if you have actually exited at the lowest point, then you would have got pretty good profits. But since the market was bouncing back up, then coming down, bouncing back up. So the thing is, if you have actually exited at the bounce, then you would be booking anywhere around 12K. So if you have actually exited at the bottom, it would be somewhere close to 15K. So once we are out of this position, we had already discussed this in the yesterday's video itself, that will be coming out of this position. So today we initiated a new position, and again this was as per what we discussed itself, so this was nothing new. So here we ended up shorting 39,500 CE as well as PE of November 11th. So what we had discussed, it is the exact same thing. So I had also told that we might also end up doing the current week, but for the community trade purpose, we only did the next week one. So that is the same 39,500 short straddle hedged with 41,000 as well as 38,000. That is close to 1,500 points away. So now when we actually look at the payoff graph, so I'll just come to Opstra. So this current trade is giving us a loss of 800 as of now. And you can see one more thing here. We have almost closed around 6 trades. So we have totally taken 6 community trades, and all 6 we have booked profits. And out of this, almost 3 community trades have gone absolutely against us. So this Nifty, this short straddle, even this short straddle, and including 28th October iron fly. So all this went completely against us, yet we were able to manage this quite well and come out with a profit. So now we'll just analyze this trade and try to see what exactly happened. And in this trade, you can see that we have pretty good break evens coming in around 40,300 as well as 38,700. So if Bank Nifty ends up trading in and around this particular range of 38,500 to 40,500, so we are actually going to hold the position unless this range gets taken out. So this is a very crucial support as well as resistance zone for Bank Nifty. So till these two ranges are completely taken out, we are not going to do any sort of adjustment. We still have enough time to sit and adjust this position, and there is absolutely no hurry to do that. So once this range is broken, so then we will discuss what exactly we can do at that particular point. So I'll just discuss few options what we have. One is we can do something called as an average, where we can create one more short straddle at 40,500, assuming that it breaks on the higher side. Otherwise, the second option what we have is again a simple counter trade, where we end up taking additional shorts of 40,000 puts. So 40,000 puts, we will short extra lots. This is 40,500 short straddle. So these two are the available options as of now. So we'll see what is the best at that particular point in time and try to do that. So this is on the higher side, and similarly on the lower side, we have the same thing at 38,500. So this is for the community trade. Right now we have only one trade open, currently running at a loss of 800 rupees, and we still have close to 2 weeks to manage this position. And coming to our trade, where the fourth part and the last part where we take trades in optionables. So here you can see that today overall we booked close to 4,50,000 loss. So why exactly did this happen? That is because yesterday we had a position open. All of you will be quite aware about it. So in that position, we actually lost around 2 lakh today morning. And after a long time, I tried taking some intraday trades, but these trades went absolutely against us. So even in intraday, I actually ended up losing quite a lot of money. So that's the reason overall we ended with a loss of close to 4.5 lakh. So now if you ask me what we can actually learn from this loss, to be honest, so there are actually no mistakes which we did as such. So I can't point out and tell this is a mistake which we did. So the thing is, it is just a loss in the general market course. So because you can't always make profit with all the trades, some trades you end up booking a loss, and that is quite okay. So you don't have to actually end all the trades with profit. So this trade we booked at a 2 lakh loss, and we have entered new trades in Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as next week Bank Nifty. Even the intraday trades which we took weren't actually a mistake which we did. It was a system based trade. It didn't go well and we had to take the loss. So it's absolutely fine. So overall we booked a loss of 5 lakh. So we did a mistake yesterday, but today there was no real mistake done. General course of the market which left us in loss. Totally, we have covered 4 parts where we discussed what happened to the market, what we can expect from the market, details about the community trade, as well as what exactly happened to Optionables Trade. With that, we also come to the end of this video, and if you have liked this content, then please do hit the like button, share, as well as subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for joining.